Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were discussing about the lesson digestion and role of microbes. Yes dear students, in the last class what are the things we have discussed? Yes, have you studied? Yes, first we have studied about the teeth. Yes, how many sets of teeth do we have dear students? Human beings are having two sets of teeth. How many sets of teeth? Two sets of teeth. One is a temporary teeth and one is a next one is a permanent teeth. Yes, when you are a child, nothing but till 7 years you will be having a temporary teeth. Okay, when you reach the age of 7, then what happens? The temporary teeth starts falling. Then one by one all the teeth will fall and you all will get a permanent teeth. ನೀವು 7 years, ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೀಚ್ ದ 7 years ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನು ಟೆಂಪ್ರರಿ ಹಲ್ಗಳಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಹಲ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಯಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we have discussed about the sets of teeth only. What is a milk teeth and what is a what is temporary teeth and what is wisdom teeth. Yes, when this wisdom teeth will come dear students, between the age of 17 to 25 wisdom teeth will come. Remember, between the age of 17 to 25 years this wisdom teeth will come. Next we have discussed about the types of teeth. Yes, the first one incisors, and incisors are used for what? They are used for cutting and biting the food. Incisors are, how many types of teeth are there dear students in our mouth? We are having 4 types of teeth in our mouth. How many types of teeth do we have? We have 4 types of teeth. The first one is the incisors, canine, premolars, molars. These are the 4 types of teeth. And what are the uses of these teeth also we have studied in our last previous video class. Have you read dear students? I hope you have studied. So here I am doing the revision for you. Just you concentrate and listen properly. So incisors are used for cutting and biting of food. Yes, incisors are used for, these are the incisors. And how these are? How many incisors are there dear students? We are having 4 incisors. Okay, and where these incisors are present? These incisors are present at the front of each jaw. These are present at the front part here. You can see in a picture, incisors are present at the front side. Can you see here? Incisors are present front side. How many incisors are there dear students? We are having 4 teeth here. Incisors are the 4 teeth at the front of each jaw. Therefore, there are 8 incisors in total. They help us to cut and bite the food here. Next one is a canine. Canines, they are sharp and used for tearing the food. Why canines we are using? We are using the canine for tearing the food here. The teeth next to the incisors, there is a canine. Can you see? The next incisors are here. Side of incisors only we are having a canine. Okay, and these are sharp and pointed. How these are canines? These are sharp and pointed one. And these canines will help us to tear the food here. Next one is a premolars. Next to canine there is a premolars. So these premolars helps to crush the food and chew it. Whatever the food we eat, we have to crush and we have to chew that food. Yes. So for that, for chewing and for crushing the food, we are having what? We are having a premolars. Okay, the 2 teeth next to each canine. Yes, after the canine we are having 2 premolars here. And how they are? They are flat and wide in a shape. So they help us to crush the food here. How many premolars do we have dear students? We are having 8 premolar teeth. Remember. The next one is the molars. So molars, the next to canines there are molars. How many molars are there? The 3 teeth at the back of the mouth next to the premolars are molars here. How many molars are there? 3. And where they are? At the back of the mouth, and they are broader in shape. Can you see? These are broader in shape. They help to grind the food, and there are 12 molars in all. How many molars do we have? There are 12 molars in our mouth, and these molars will help us to grind the food here. These are the types of teeth we have discussed in the last class. Here once again I have done the revision for you. I hope you have cleared the types of teeth. Dear students, this is the types of teeth diagram: incisors, canine, premolars, molars, and here is at last we will be having a wisdom teeth, and that wisdom teeth will come between the age of 17 to 25 years. Okay. The next here they have given on fact act. The third molars are known as the wisdom teeth. These are the last teeth a person gets. These are called as so appear later in life, when a person is considered to be wise and old. When the person will get wise, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ wisdom teeth ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The next we are going to study here is the structure of a tooth. So a tooth has main parts, crown and a root. What a tooth is having? This is a structure of a tooth, and it is having a main 2 parts. One is a crown and one is a root part. How many parts do the tooth is having? It is having a 2 parts. One is a crown and one is a root part. Let us see about a crown here. The upper part of a tooth that is visible is known as the crown. Yes, dear students, can you see this upper part of the tooth? We are calling it as a crown we are calling, and we can see that crown part, and it is visible. So the upper part of a tooth that is visible is known as a crown. The crown of the tooth is covered by a hard white shiny material called a enamel, and it is covered with one white hard material. For that we are calling enamel. What is that white covering? That white covered, the hard white covered substance, we are calling it as a shiny material. That enamel is a hard white and shiny material. Okay, the enamel is hardest substance in our body. It protects the tooth from wear and tear. Which is the hardest substance in our body? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ ಎನಾಮೆಲ್. ದಟ್ ಎನಾಮೆಲ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದ ಟೂತ್ ಹಿಯರ್, and it is a hard white shiny material. This is about the crown. Next we'll see about the root part here. The lower part of a tooth is covered with the gums, hence it is not visible. Dear students, can you see here? This lower part we are considering it as a root part. Upper part is a crown part, and it is having a enamel covering, and lower part we are considering it as a root, and this root we cannot see. Ee root part ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, it is made up of cementum that anchors the tooth to the jawbone. Below the enamel layer lies the dentine. Dentine protects the inner part of the tooth called a pulp. Blood vessels and nerves run through the pulp of the teeth. Where the blood vessels are present, dear students? Blood vessels are present at the root part only. The soft tissue that surrounds the base of the tooth is called a gum. Gums holds the teeth in their place. Dear students, in the root part we are having a gums here. Can you see? This is a gum we will call gum part, and that gum parts will hold the tooth here. And in the root part the blood vessels are present. So whenever your teeth will break, you will get a blood from there. Why? Because in that root part the blood vessels are present. If the teeth breaks, then that blood vessels also will break, and the blood will come out of that part here. So how many tooth has how many parts? Tooth has a 2 parts. One is a crown part, and one more is a root part. And in the root part some of the blood vessels are present, and it is attached to the gum part. This is about the what we have studied now? Structure of tooth we have studied. Dear students, in the next video class, again we will discuss the how we have to care the teeth. Okay. So, till here you watch the video, read the textbook. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you.